Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the last question, which is question number 10 of exercise 13.1. The question says a loaded truck travels 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? So there could be many ways of solving this question. I am telling here there are two methods by which this question can be solved. The first is, there are two parameters. The first is distance and the second is time. So the first case, you are traveling 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. You have to find how many kilometers one can travel if in 5 hours, if the speed is same. So this 5 hours can be written as can be converted into minutes. So this hours can be converted into minute by multiplying 60. So this is 300 minutes. So because the relation between distance and time is direct, means if you want to cover more distance, you will need more time to cover the distance. So when you are increasing the distance, the time must also increase if the speed is same. So in other way you can say that the number of times one value is increased, the same number of times the other value will also increase. So here the time is increased 12 times, because here the time is 25 minutes and here the time is 30 minutes. So if the time is increased 12 times, so similarly the distance must also increase 12 times. So you have to multiply this value with 12. So 12 into 4, 48 and 16. So here the correct answer should be 168 kilometers. So in 5 hours that truck can travel 168 kilometers. So there is another way by writing this. So the distance covered here, the distance covered in 25 minutes is equals to 14 kilometers. So you have to find the distance covered in 1 minute must be equals to 14 by 25 kilometers, because here the time is decreasing, so obviously the distance will also decrease. So you have to divide this by 25, or you can say we are dividing both sides by 25. So this will cancel, so this will become 1 and this will be 14 upon 25. Now you have to find the distance covered in 5 hours, or if I convert this into minutes, so this will be 300 minutes. Now again the time is increased, so you have to increase the distance also, and for increasing we have to multiply this, or you can say we are multiplying both sides by 300. Now you can cancel this can be cancelled 12 times and the answer will be 14 into 12, which is 12 into 4 is 48, carry 4, 12 into 12 is 12 and 4 16. So this will be 168 kilometers, same as here also. So this is how you can solve this question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem regarding maths, you can contact us at truemaths.com, or even you can call us. The number is given below in the description. Thank you.